Welcome to Common Core Math. This is Grade 7, Module 2, Lesson 16. The focus of this lesson is on the properties of operations to multiply and divide rational numbers. We are going to look at Problem 2 from the problem set. The directions read, evaluate the expressions using the distributive property. Well, let's look at Problem A. It reads 2 1/4 times -8. In order to use the distributive property, we have to use multiplication and show how that distributes over either addition or subtraction. So we're going to take the number 2 1/4 and rewrite that to what it means. 2 1/4 means 2 plus 1/4. That will be our addition, and then we will distribute the -8. By the way, that is equivalent to -8 multiplied by the sum of 2 plus 1/4. That's probably the more common way of writing the distributive property. To apply the distributive property, we take the -8, multiply it by the 2. Then we take the -8, we multiply it by the 1/4. And we're going to add those two products together. -8 times 2 is -16. 8 times 1/4 is -2. So we're going to add together -16 plus -2 for our final answer to be -18. Now let's look at problem part B. It reads 2/3 times -7 plus 2/3 times -5. Well, this is already distributed. So what we have to think of is what was multiplied on the outside and what was on the inside. Well, since the 2/3 repeats in both, 2/3 had to be on the outside. And then what was inside was -7 plus -5. And they didn't say we actually have to find out the value from the original. We could use this one instead. We could add what's in the parentheses first. -7 plus -5 is -12. And then do 2/3 times -12. And to do 2/3 times -12, we would multiply and we would get an answer of -8. So using the distributive property, we were able to find these results.